Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So beautiful and different idea for crochet pattern. Beautiful dress wear for girls and women's fashion style and stylish embellishment and decorative elements like flowers and lace for 80s and like a different waist fitted and flower looking like a border frill style look has well idea and colorful combination color blocking ideas, so vibrant and colorful combination idea for girls and women. So see these videos till the end and mention in comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern. Take care and bye bye. See you soon. I'm back once again, new and latest idea and latest video. So take care. I am back once again. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.